way I stay alive on the daily is crazy. I get short-tempered, don't talk pay me. Turn to the dark side if my days ever get rainy. Dreamy, never not maybe. Yeah, I roll with Jamie, and I know Sadie. Her, she's a cool young lady. Back to the way I live daily. Had bed no, but that didn't change me. Plus I got a daughter, newborn child, but her name ain't Amy. I ain't got a winning the blue scar project, but I'm getting one, so stay away from me. I'll spray 3/8 and I'm not even crazy, not even lately. Feel so calm, so you can't irate me. Why that one don't know how to take me? Take out cruise on the daily.
Okay, so here it is. The Audi A4 2008. Now don't be fooled, just because it is a 2008 does not mean that it's missing any features. You see, this isn't any regular 2008. This is a TFSI Black Edition, full spec, which means we've got blind spot assist, lane assist, Bang & Olufsen stereo system, all the buttons, no poverty spec on the gearbox. Feel free to search up any 2008 model Audi A4s, they do not have any of this. Right, we've got 3 different modes: comfort, auto, dynamic, and individual, which is 4, not 3. I don't know why I said that. Now, what's the difference between them? Well, very similar to the Mercedes Sport system. See, in comfort mode, the steering wheel, as you can see, nice, soft, and smooth. In dynamic mode, which is the sports mode, the steering gets hard, the suspension gets hard, and the power is much better. Now you're probably wondering what individual is. Well, individual allows you to pretty much choose what you want, how you want your suspension to be, how you want your steering to be, is the customizable option, and then when you choose individual, those settings apply straight away. We've got navigation, 6 CD system. The bass on this Bang & Olufsen stereo system is crazy. So we finally actually got volume buttons on the steering wheel, because with the Volvo we did not have that. We had to manually adjust it over here with a knob. Got adaptive range headlights. And it sounds absolutely amazing. Okay, so we might have a problem with the strut bolt, but shouldn't be a problem, I hope, unless the wheel comes off while we drive. So this is the 2008, but it has the 2010 body. This is the facelift edition, hence why the front headlights are the rings. So you turn it on, it comes on like that. First black car, you know, compared to the Volvo, which was a dark blue. Now the reason I haven't been uploading is because the Volvo actually died. So the Volvo did die, so this is going to be the new daily car. The story of how the Volvo died, we're going to put that in a different video, because there's a lot of mods that we put on the Volvo which we haven't uploaded yet. We're going to get to all of that. Now, what are we going to do with this car exactly? Because I wouldn't post it on my YouTube if it was just my daily. Well, guess what? It's not just my daily. We have a few plans with this car, but the only thing is, since I spent money on my Volvo, my parents don't really like when I mod cars. And what I mean by don't like is I'm not allowed, okay? So my strategic opportunity of smartness decided, you know what? I'm gonna mod out the car, but not spend any money on it. Now, how are we gonna do that, you might be thinking? Well, sponsorships. Sponsorships and brand deals are one of the most powerful ways to get stuff. Now, we already have quite a few sponsorships lined up, because I did post on my story about this series. So we're gonna turn into different little episodes, and every day we're gonna upload one mod that we did for completely free. Again, we're not allowed to spend any money on the car. On top of that, we're gonna add a secondary challenge, and that is don't get noticed. We're gonna mod out the car every single day without my parents noticing. Can it be done? I don't know. You're gonna have to watch and find out.
If his parents find out, every single viewer gets £100.
Yo! What? Remap, starlights, everything. We're gonna mod out the car to the fullest possibility without spending money on it. Because this car, like I said, has a few problems, has a few oil leaks, has a few lights on the dashboard. So if it does end up dying just the way the Volvo died, I won't be as upset about it, because again, I didn't spend any money on it. So, what do you guys think of the new car? Do you think I should turn it into a project car? And comment down what I should do. If you are a business and you want to sponsor it, you know where to go. Emails in the bio.
All right, bye.